Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Cancers. Today's reading, we'll be picking cards for your daily energy, for your love reading, guys, and for your oracle guidance, Cancer. So this is for your daily reading, Cancer. We'll be picking one card, guys, for your daily reading. For your love reading, I'll be picking 3 cards from another deck. So these are the cards here for your love reading, Cancers, and one card from the oracle guidance deck. This is the card. We will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily reading. So what is the card? The Star. So that is for your daily energy, guys. With this card, guys, the energy in your situation, it is a time of great hope and a fortune, guys, coming your way. So whatever your situation is, you are making idealistic approach with that logical thinking towards your situation, dealing with the problems. So whatever it is, so maybe some of you may be thinking of starting a new career or making some new changes in your personal life. Whatever it is, you can go for that new changes, guys. So this card stands for that clarity in thought and action. So you will see your destination, whatever you need to move towards, and some major changes are also happening in life, guys. And this is the time of great opportunity if you are able to make that right choice. So that is what this card is about. So some important decisions, maybe you are planning to move to a different place, move your home, or change your job, or finding a new job, something like that, something which you have been thinking, some major decisions. So this is the right time. That is what this card is about. So you will be able to make the right decisions with that clarity. If you have that clarity, you will move towards greater success. That is what this card is about, guys. So let us see what are these cards for your love reading, guys. So we will turn these cards now, Cancers. Strength in reverse, guys, and 4 of Cups in reverse, and 9 of Cups. So with these cards in your situation today, you are having that emotional satisfaction and fulfillment, guys, however your situation is. So you are really happy. So your position is really good in your personal life, in this connection with this person. You maybe, for some of you, you may be finding a new person, guys, Cancers. A new it's a start of a new relationship, or it may be a beginning of a new way in your existing connection. So you have that freshness and vitality, a new romance or intimacy in your connection. So that is what I see with this card, Cancers. Something new, or in your old connection itself, you may be seeing that positivity in that connection, that's happiness and compatibility is there, increased happiness and compatibility, and that attraction. So that is what I see with these cards. Maybe for some of you, this person may have some addictions, guys, or they may be suffering from some illness. So that may be the reason for this card in reverse, guys. So we see strength in reverse. So some kind of weakness that they may be having, or it may be your energy you are having some weakness because of that sickness, or some habits, some addictive habits. So if it is something good, maybe exercise, detox diet, something health oriented, you can follow that. But if it is something bad, if it is something you feel that you need to change, maybe like drinking or smoking, you can try to go for that moderation, guys. So that may be affecting you in this connection. So that is what these cards are about, guys. That is what these cards are about, Cancers. That is what I see, Cancers, with these cards. So let us see what is your wisdom oracle guidance. So this card may or may not relate to your situation, but it is something that we can follow as a guidance to make things better in our life, guys. Cancer. So let us see what is the card here. Clean it up. So with this card in your situation today, it may be, so with this card, guys, in our situation, it may mean that we need to give up that baggage that we no longer need in our situation. So in our relationship, whatever emotional baggage, burdens that we are carrying with us, something that is troubling us, something that we no longer need, we can clear it up. So if we love this person and if we want to work out this relationship with this person, we have to work towards that understanding, guys. Maybe in some arguments or fights, we may feel hurt, we may feel stressed. So we have to go for that release. So whatever we want to say, we can say it in a much in a much harmonious way, without hurting that other person, and free ourselves of this hurt and burdens whatever we experience. And when we go for that, when we go for clearing up that baggage, we will be able to make that deep connection with that person. Same way in our career situation, the simple things, just opening the mail, paying bills, whatever we need to do to sort things out in work. So we will not feel overwhelmed or overburdened. So that is what this card is about. So we can move towards great prosperity and abundance in life, guys. So you have to go for clearing up those things that we no longer need in life. When we do that, we will enjoy better clarity in our relationship, and we will lessen our burden in our work situation. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for you all, Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.